Car camping sleeping pads sit at the intersection of comfort, portability, and resilience. For travelers who want a bed-like experience without dedicating precious vehicle space, a well-chosen pad can transform a night under the stars into a restful retreat. This review prioritizes sleep quality, insulation, durability, packing efficiency.
Product number 1. Memory Sleeping Pad. Wivel's Memory Sleeping Pad is a premium foam-based mattress offering exceptional thickness at 3.1 inches with a claimed 9.5 R value and a 77 by 26.98 surface. The pad uses high-density memory foam, density 50D, and a skin-friendly 50D fabric, combined with upgraded dual valves to optimize self-inflation and deflation. It's built to support up to 800 pounds and is designed to stay quiet and comfortable throughout the night, with a focus on minimizing pressure points and maximizing loft. The product is positioned as a luxurious alternative to traditional air or thin foam mats, promising a 5-star sleeping experience on rocky or uneven ground. Prospective buyers should note the substantial thickness, solid insulation, and heavy-duty construction, along with a dedicated shoulder storage bag for transport. Cons include its significant weight, 6.5 to 6.59 pounds, and higher price within the segment, which may be overkill for casual car campers or those seeking ultra-compact solutions. Performance-wise, the 3.1-inch memory foam offers strong contouring and pressure relief, especially for back sleepers who benefit from stable pelvic and spine alignment. In practice, the memory foam composition provides predictable support even on uneven campsite terrain, and the extensive thickness and 800-pound load rating imply durability and long-term resilience, though the trade-off is bulk and packed size. Setup is aided by a quick self-inflation workflow described in the marketing copy, but real-world users will still rely on the valves and user technique to ensure the pod maintains loft after heavy movement in the night. It's best suited for vehicle-dependent campers who value a near lab-grade sleep surface and don't mind the heavier pack weight.
Product number 2. Simula Memory Foam Camping Mattress Pad. Simula offers a Certa US certified memory foam camping mattress pod with a 72-inch by 24-inch by 3-inch profile. It emphasizes portability and a roll-up design for easy transport and storage, packaged with a travel bag. As a memory foam pad, it targets a balance between comfort and practicality, with a strong emphasis on being a dedicated car camping bed option that can double as a sleepover mat. At $58.29, it competes in the mid to upper tier of the foam/air mat segment, offering solid value for those who want memory foam performance without excessive bulk. In use, the 3-inch memory foam thickness yields noticeable cushioning for most sleepers with good surface conformity that minimizes hot spots. The Certa US certification provides reassurance on foam content and emissions, important for sensitive sleepers. The pad's dimensions are slightly narrower than some full-size foam pads, which could influence side sleepers who move toward the edges. Its roll-up design and included travel bag help with packing efficiency for car adventures, though the memory foam construction will still be heavier than most inflatable options. Overall, Simula is well suited for campers who want a memory foam experience with straightforward transport. Product number 3. Camping Sleeping Pad. Funpack's inflatable self-inflating pad emphasizes ultralight portability with a built-in foot pump and integrated pillow, designed to be compact when packed and comfortable when deployed. Measuring 75 inches by 25 inches by 6.7 inches thick in the inflated state, this pod adopts a self-inflating design that reduces the need for external pumps and includes a multi-layer valve system to minimize leaks. The 3-inch emphasis here is on a balance between thickness and packability, with a larger inflated height than many inflatable mats and a flexible twin-bed connectivity option via side buttons to form a wider surface if needed. Priced at $28.48, it stands out as a budget-friendly option that still aims to deliver notable comfort. Performance-wise, the built-in foot pump supports relatively quick inflation in 30 to 60 seconds, and the dual-layer valve reduces air leakage during setup and pack-down. The 78-inch by 27-inch surface is generous for a single sleeper, and the 8-inch inflated thickness offers a plush feel, with egg-shaped air cells designed to support the neck and back. The trade-offs include potential noise and movement transfer on a nylon/TUP surface and the reliance on the pump for inflation, which, while convenient, may not match the stability of a dense memory foam pad on uneven ground. It's best for casual campers who prioritize setup speed and light packing. Product number 4, 3-inch memory foam camping mattress. Gaia Loop's dual-layer memory foam pad uses a combination of 30D support foam and 40D memory foam, delivering a 3-inch thick surface with a roll-up design for easy transport. The 2-pack package includes 2 pads, 2 pillows, and 2 carrying bags, highlighting a value proposition for couples or families who want to set up a quick guest bed in a tent or living space. The cover is washable and features a waterproof interior coating to protect the foam from moisture. The product targets car camping, road trips, and overflow sleeping arrangements with an emphasis on comfort and ease of cleanup. Performance-wise, this pad prioritizes a plush, supportive feel with a 2-layer foam stack, which helps distribute weight and reduce pressure points on hard surfaces. The waterproof interior coating helps in damp conditions, and the removable washable cover improves hygiene and longevity. On the practical side, the 75-inch by 38-inch twin setup is sizable for 2 people, but the overall weight is substantial given 2 pads, which can complicate packing for lighter trips. The pads are well suited for guests, glamping setups, or family trips where space and comfort trump ultralight considerations. Product number 5, double sleeping pad for camping, ultralight camping mattress with pillow. Preeti's 2-person inflatable pad combines a built-in pillow, quick foot pump operation, and a roomy 79 by 55-inch surface with a 4-inch thickness. Aimed at couples or friends sharing a tent, the pad is constructed with 40D nylon and multi-layer TPU to improve durability and water resistance. Weighing roughly 3 pounds for the whole assembly, per pad, with a dual pad configuration implied by the 2-person capacity, it emphasizes portability and ease of use, making it attractive for car camping where space is not at a premium but quick setup matters. The 4-inch thickness provides a cushiony feel while maintaining a relatively compact fold when deflated. In terms of performance, the built-in foot pump inflates within 1 to 3 minutes, and the dual-layer valve on the pillow helps minimize air leakage. The 79 by 55-inch footprint ensures ample space for 2 adults, and the ergonomic wave pattern aims to reduce pressure points. However, inflation speed may vary with altitude and ambient temperature, and the padding's bulk can challenge packing, especially for smaller vehicles. It's an excellent choice for side-by-side sleeping comfort in car camping situations where space allows and 2 sleepers want a shared bed experience. For casual weekend car campers, FunPack offers compelling value. For couples or small families seeking a robust guest bed, Gaia Loop's Twin Pack or Pretty-Wow's 2-person pad provides practical versatility. For dedicated car campers chasing ultimate cuddle and support comfort, Weevil delivers a premium experience at a higher price.